everyone, welcome back to Lithuvs Nailart Designs. In this video, I will be showing you a cute, easy cat nail art design that you can try comfortably at your home. You can do this design even if you are a completely beginner or working with short nails. I have used lavender as the base coat to complement the black cat design. First of all, make a little circle using the dotting tool. Using a liner brush, draw a thin line as shown in this video. Now it's the time for the tail of the cat. Try to draw a very thin curve as shown in this video. Patience is the key for clean nail art design. Draw the design only after the entire base coat is fully cured. Using basic tools like dotting tool and liner brush or also toothpick, we can slowly build this black cat nail art design. Work gently and clean your tools between colors to make the design neat. You don't need professional tools or salon experience, just enjoy the process. Remember, nail art does not have to be perfect. Small imperfection actually add charm to handmade design. Before the detailing part, you have to make sure that your nail polish is completely dry. I will be using white polish for adding the facial expression of our black cat. If you are trying for the first time, don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Pause the video, practice and continue. Nail art is all about learning and enjoying creativity. This design is perfect for a celebration in a holiday season in a fun way. I will be repeating the same steps on the other nails. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's really a great support to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy nail art tutorials. If you guys have any doubts about this nail art or any other nail design, you guys are free to ask in the comment section. If you love simple nail designs for short nails, don't forget to like, comment and follow Lithuvs Nail Art Design for more easy designs. Save this video for your next nail art idea and follow Lithuvs Nail Art Designs. No extension, no fancy tool, just clean healthy nails. Do you like this look? Don't forget to say in the comments. These nails are so cute and we did this at home. Let me know in the comments which nail design should I try next. Thank you for watching this video. Stay creative and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, tata bye bye.